Earlier we have know that the what are the junction object and how it's now now we can see how the junction object will create it. So, what is the junction object is called many-to-many relationship between the two objects using two master data relationship. There is a scenario of the one object is a student and the second one is a course. So, we have to create the two field in the student section, which one is the name and the roll number, and then we have to create the course name and duration in the field section. Then we have to create the element or junction object. A junction object, in junction object there is a student which is the student id, and course which is the master detail relationship, which we create the third enrollment object of the junction object, and in which that the two fields are the one of the student and the second one is the course. Along with that we also create the enrollment date and the marks sheet. So the relationship diagram, if I can draw the relationship diagram, then a student and the master detail relationship with the enrollment, and then we create the course its master detail relationship with the master detail relationship between the course and the enrollment. How to practice, for example, what is the result of this one is that the student are the Rahul and the Ankit. Java, one of the there Rahul Ankit, which has a roll number of 101 102. There is a two courses, Java and Salesforce. Duration is a 3 months and it's 2 months. Then Rahul and Ankit and Java and Salesforce. Rahul is involved in the both of them, so Java and Salesforce, and Ankit is involved in the Java only. And this all the things are the visible in their section. So for the students, SQL practice query, no, I want to do the this things only. So I will open where is that. Initially I have already created the student class. Let's see what are the student class. Go to the setup, and in setup section let's see what are the things are available here. I want to go the object manager. I want to see the what are the field available inside of the student, and here in quick section box I will type the student. Sorry. In their field section I have the created many field, but I want to delete the some of the field. After deleting I will go to you. Maybe this field is related to someone else field, that's why it's not visible to anywhere. For example, it's related with in the validation rules, that's why. So I will create the field of the which name is st, and one of the is a course which name is the cu. One of the st, it's student, and pure name is sts, and this is started with vowels. No, it's not started with vowels. Object is used when referencing the object with API name is what, which is used in the programming section. That's why. Description, do you want to add the something or not? Then is a context sensitive help. If you have the created any visual force for that the helping of the section, then you can be this is a context Salesforce app, maybe not, this is exactly. And which field do you want to create the first? I want to create the auto number, which is started with roll number capital is capital capital. Zero one starting number what the number want to add. The first starting number is the 101, and do you want to allow reporting, allow activity, allow track fielding? Yeah, I want to allow this. Object classifying allows sharing, allow work API, and allow deployment. What do you want to allow searching? Yeah, I want to add the note of this, and I want to, and then I will save ORT. Then I have created this. I will select the any of the object, and optional choose home page, and then I will click next. Then what do you want to allow the visibility is default on to visible for all the tabs, and this object is included in the all the apps, and this object is created which is a student having the name of the st. What is the name of the its st, and how many field do you have to create the in st? One of the field is created which is the roll number, and second one is the st name. What is the its name? st name field, name field, and for that I have to create the text field. In text field click next, and what do you want to create the name of the student? So it's name field. What is the name field? And then what should be the length of the name? It should be 18. And description, any helping text do you want to it's required, mandatory, required the no. Do you want to put the uniqueness on this field? No. External ID set when you will study the data importing. What is the data importing? That's the importing this id to importing this object data to the any another where, and the importing data from the another to the Salesforce section. External id is the kind of the things which is help to identify the uniqueness of the IDs, and or to add to the custom report type. Add this field to existing custom report type that contain this entity, and you will also see the default values of formula editor. Then click to next. Do you want to visible all of them? Yes, I want, and I want to allow this field in the this page layout, and click to save. I have created the successfully which of these. This is the Rahul name field and the Rahul field. Now it's time to creating the custom course name. And that means I have to jump to the object manager. In object manager I have to create the custom object, and in custom object I have to write down the course, and then after that this is copy this same and pasted it by as is it started the vowel, the same thing, everything. Allow reporting, allow this the track, the tab, development, enabling, allow search, add and this all the things, and save. What the field do you want to, and select any of them, then next default on, then no, I have started with the name of field, name field. This means there is already one field is created which name is course name. Yeah, then after that I have to create the field of the duration, which is what is the duration of that field. That field duration is duration field is what kind of the field as master detail, and the duration is a text type of the field. What kind of the field is a text? Where is the text? This is the text. Then write down the duration. D should be capital. for the duration. Length should be 18. Field allow required is not, uniqueness is not, and then click next. Then click the next and include this page. If I enter the some data in the student or the any another and I have to create the one of the another is enrollment. Go to this, it's enrollment. It's copy enrollments. What it's started with the vowel and enrollment name. What do you want to add in this field? The field is the student name, enrollment date, and marks. No, I want to the field name should be the enrollment name. For example, here is a student allow reparenting. This all the things is allow search, and this add launch. If you not created the tab, then it's also possible to enter data without the creating the tab. Then add the sorry, click next, click next, click next. This object is created now. How to create the master detail relationship? First of all, go to the object manager and go to the enrollment object. What is the object? Enrollment object. This is the enrollment object, and you can see in the field and relationship there is a 4 field are the along with there. There is an enrollment name and there is a 3 another field. When I created the click to the new, and when I created the master detail relationship, where is the master detail relationship? Here, master detail relationship. Then click to next. First of all, I have to relate it with the student. I want to the honor name of the ST. It should be the honor name of the. I have to click the ST. Then click to the next. The what is the field name do you want to there? Field label is whatever you see in the interface. Field name is whatever you will see in the programming. Then description and helping text. What the helping text? Sharing setting. Read only, read and write only. Allow use at least read access to the master record to create, edit or delete record. Read or write. Allow with at least read, write, accept, access the master record to create, edit or delete. It kind of that the things is that the whether parents have the read only the access, but the child can be read, write and the edit also. And in second option what is that we have the either we have the read access, then only we can read only this on this thing. Either we have the read and write access, then only we can read or write these things. That means it same property is follow in the child section, but in this section whatever the property of the parents is not matter. It's follow read, write or edit access. That means it not inherit the property of the parents, it inherit the property of child, whatever we have the seen in the earlier phase. Then I want to allow the whatever the property of the parents. Allow the parenting. Do you want to allow the change the parents? Yeah. No, I doesn't want to reparenting. That's why I left it. The lookup filter, you will know after the some time what are the lookup filter, and I will then click to the next, and I want to allow this field to everyone. Then it should be in interface. Then save. As you know that there are the 4 standard store the recyclement. Okay, I know where is the recyclement. As you know that there are the 4 enrollment field. The honor field is deleted here. Where is that? The owner field is deleted, and there is another field is the master detail field, which is the same owner of the another. Then click to the next. We have to create the another master detail relationship related to the course, and this is the enrollment object is a which is related to course. Click to the field name courses. I wanted the same property whatever the parents have, the same property the child should have. Allow reparenting. I doesn't want to reparent. Click to the next. Next. And next, this is the created. The relationship as a created. If you want to see the relationship, then go to the schema builder, and in schema builder you clearly see what are the relationship among them. For example, there is a student st, and there is a custom object and enrollment enrollment, and there is a two different field, yeah, enrollment, and there is one also field is what is that? Course. See, course. This is a junction object. This is a junction object. Understand that the two are the master data relationship is created by this is student object, this is course object, this is the junction object. It's used for the many to many relationship. This is the thing is over here. Now I want to go to the NXP, and I want to refresh it. There is a three field, one of the student and one of the course and one of the enrollment. I want to enter the same data whatever the in the I want to enter the Rahul name and Ankit ST student name field, and its name student Rahul. It's Rahul. Then save and new, and second one Rahul is created, and second one is which one is that? Rahul Ankit. There is two field is created in this thing. We have the see that there is a two field is one of the Rahul and another one is data can be seen here. There is a two courses. What are the course name? Course name should be the Salesforce. Course duration of the course should be 2 months. 2 months. I want to add this, and second one is a Java. Duration of that is 3 months. Don't say. If you look in the detail section, there is no relationship between there is a relationship in the student and but they are not related to each other. But I want to add this. For example, Rahul should be in, if I want to create the any object in the side of the object name. Rahul in Salesforce. It should be related on the Rahul in Salesforce. Then I can be without entering the enrollment field. I have the enter this one is, and the same Rahul I want to enroll inside of the where Rahul in Java. and this is things is over here. Rahul is related enrolled with the two things, and then another one is the 102. Which one is that? It's Ankit related with which one? Ankit is related with which one is that? Java. Java. Ankit is related with Java. Where is Java? Ankit is related with Java. For example, I want to add what are the things I want to add the Ankit in Java. What are the issue? The things is entered here. By the student table, I have the enter in the detail in the course. This is if I enter in the courses. This is the course. How many are the students are they involved in that? Ankit are involved in the two of the courses. Ankit in Java and Ankit in this courses they involved in there. And second one is Ankit involved in Java. There is a two student involved in the Java. If I talk about the Java Salesforce, there is only one student. Rahul is involved in the Salesforce. This things is the many-to-many relationship, and we can design. We have earlier designed the schema of this course, the schema of this field also. It's good.